Tyler 16-bit here with another video, and this is on the Cipher Xbox controller. So let's get right into it. The most defining feature about this controller is the fact that it's clear blue or translucent blue, and as you can see here just on the packaging, you can see a lot in the controller. And of course it says Cipher on the side and Xbox on the top, and Xbox also on the top here, and special edition wireless controller. See the D-pad there, and Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, Windows, Android, and iOS. So this can be used for quite a few devices, and it does include 2 AA batteries. And here is the back, where it shows both sides of the controller. Got the metallic D-pad and triggers, transparent design, Xbox wireless and Bluetooth, and the rubberized blue grip, which is the same color as the under part of the thumbsticks. So yeah, let's open it right up and see what it looks like in person. And obviously I've already cut the tape, so let's do it. Xbox.com controller setup. There's a QR code. But here is the main event. And you got the AA batteries right there. Got Xbox packaging. And that's something else worth mentioning, is that the packaging is smaller and more eco-friendly. So that's always nice. But yeah, let's put that to the side. And here is the controller. I'm looking at it both through the camera and off camera, and it just looks really cool. How it's see-through blue, and of course blue's my favorite color, but how it's just, you can see everything, and of course the grips on the back, and the metallic triggers and D-pad. It all just looks very nice and very reminiscent of the original Xbox controllers, as I actually do have a clear blue original Xbox controller S. So it's very reminiscent of that controller, and just controllers from that time period. So yeah, really, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and you all take care.